Dear students, in this session we shall work one problem based on arithmetic progression. Priya earned rupees 15,000 in the first month. Thereafter, her salary increased by rupees 1,500 per year. Her expenses are rupees 13,000 during the first year and the expenses increases by rupees 900 per year. How long will it take for her to save rupees 20,000 per month? Solution. Let us consider the tabular column that is given here. In the first year, it is given that Priya's salary is rupees 15,000 and her monthly expenses are rupees 13,000. Therefore, her monthly savings will be 15,000 minus 13,000, which will be 2,000. Also, it is given that every year her monthly salary increases by rupees 1,500, which means her second year monthly salary will be 15,000 plus 1,500, which will be 16,500. Also, it is mentioned that the monthly expenses is increased by rupees 900 for every year, which means the monthly expenses for the second year will be 13,000 plus 900, that will be rupees 13,900. Now, what will be the monthly savings for the second year? It will be 16,500 minus 13,900, that will be 2,600. Now, for the third year, we will note that the monthly salary of Priya will be 18,000 because there will be an increment of rupees 1,500 every subsequent years. Also, the monthly expenses will be rupees 900 more than the previous year. So, 13,900 plus 900 will be 14,800. This will be the monthly expenses for the third year. Now, what will be the monthly savings for the third year? It will be rupees 18,000 minus rupees 14,800, which will be rupees 3,200. Now, look at the monthly savings for the first, second and the third years respectively. We will note that this sequence forms an AP, that is the monthly savings rupees 2,000, rupees 2,600 and rupees 3,200 and so on are forming an AP. So, here A equals 2,000, D equals 2,600 minus 2,000, that will be 600, and the nth term will be taken as 20,000. We know that Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, substituting the values of Tn, A and D in this formula, we can find the value of n. So, we have 20,000 equals 2,000 plus n minus 1 into 600, that gives 20,000 equals 2,000 plus what is 600 into n? It will be 600 n minus 1 into 600 will be minus 600. So, our next step will be 20,000 equals 2,000 plus 600 n minus 600, that will be 20,000 equals 1,400 plus 600 n. Now, bring all the constant terms to the left hand side and the term containing 600 n let us retain on the right hand side. That gives 20,000 minus 1,400 to be equal to 600 n, which means 18,600 will now be equal to 600 n. Therefore, n value will be equal to 18,600 whole divided by 600, that will be equal to 31. Therefore, Priya will take 31 years to save rupees 20,000 per month. Thank you, students.